Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Hey guys! Hey! I'm running the stream today. Hope you're ready. Come on guys, let's go! Let's go! Come on! Pump it up! Dump it! Come on! Hey! Hey guys, what's going on? It's Java. I'm gonna be the host today. Jordan passed out after the dump today. ETH has dumped 10%. Gala has dumped 13%. Jordan passed out. So I'm going to be the host. Guys, we're going down to zero. Like, this is awesome. I told you guys on Friday, we're going to zero, right? We're going to 3K most likely. So short. You need to short these rips. Short the rips. We're going back down, guys, okay? Okay? All right, guys, that's the whole show. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Yo! What's going on, fellas? I'm just kidding. The show is not over, man. The show is not over. That was basically Java's TA for the day. Happy Sunday, guys. Or, you know, are we going to see a happy Sunday? Bitcoin is flirting with the level we want to hold. I mean, we've talked about 19,200 specifically being the level that we want to see hold on the Bitcoin close. And we are almost there, man. We're literally sitting almost at that level, man. So it could be a very, 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 very interesting close. What's going on, Life on Track? What's going on, buddy? We got ETH coming back down. What's up, Skillful? DJ, Keith, Mike, Interactive. What's going on? What's going on, fellas? What's going on? Mini Tugs at Job as a millionaire now? He is, my friend. He is. Anyways, guys, let's talk about what's going on right now. All right, let's go. Let's take a quick gander on some of our Bitcoin still sitting here at this like $19,300 support. So Bitcoin's still here, right? So I know we're all up in arms about Bitcoin today, which this could be an interesting week, right? We got the FOMC meeting coming up on Wednesday. Oh man, Horse Guy's already going nuts about the FOMC meeting coming up. What will they do, right? 75 basis points, 100 basis points. What are we doing? I mean, Horse Guy's all in flames right now. FOMC meeting? That is not good. That does not sound very good. Right? Right, guys? The market's going to go back up, right? It has to go back up, right? Well, I mean, think about this. Well, what goes down must come back up, right? Right? Someone tell me yes. I am balls deep in crypto. It cannot go down. It can't possibly go down. Right? We gonna go up? Someone tell me, we gonna go up? Please. Please, I can't lose any more money in this market. I am already poor. I am a poor little Italian boy. I think someone just said, shut the hell up to me outside. No, I'm just kidding. It sounded like someone outside said, shut the hell up. Shut the hell up, man. Anyways, Bitcoin's still just sitting at 19.3, right? I mean, Bitcoin's not the one that I'm like, holy shit, what's going on here? Ethereum. If you go look at Ethereum real quick, guys, Ethereum has broken this major level right here, right? You see this red box spanning all the way through here, and that's the level we want to hold for Ethereum, right? Between 1423 and 1447, okay? We smacked that to the downside. I am currently in a ETH short from about, what's the entry? About 1397. So from about like right here in this point, I am currently short ETH. Once again, move the stops in the profit if it comes back up. But this could be an interesting point, man. This could be an interesting point. Bitcoin's still at support. So just pay attention, right? I mean, we always like to say this. Bitcoin, until it breaks this green box, I would say don't get too up in arms about Bitcoin. But all coins. Holy moly, man. All coins today. I mean, you saw Gala down 13%. Multiple altcoins down 10+% today. So pretty brutal day. Pretty brutal day for not altcoins, but also ETH. I got an ETH shirt here. Maya got me the ETH shirt for my birthday. You guys like it here? You guys like it? You see it? Clint said, "Don't take this wrong, boss, but blow me with this crypto cult." You know, you talking about George, Clint? You talking about George, my man? Don't be talking about George's gun go up cult that way, guys. Anyways, Bitcoin's still at support. At the end of the day, it's got to be a big week, right? It's going to be a very, very big week for Bitcoin. It's going to be a very, very big week for all markets, right? You know, are they going to do? I mean, most people predict the 75 basis points on Wednesday. If they come out with 100, that's not going to be good. It's not going to be good. So I think right now we're kind of in this waiting game, and it seems like the market is dumping before this. Is that the market trying to price in a lower, or a higher rate hike? That's what we're going to wait for this week, man. I mean, I think that's what all markets are going to be kind of waiting for. And you know, if we dump beforehand, is that the market trying to price it in? Who knows, right? I mean, we don't know at this point, and that's the fun in crypto, man. That's the fun and the unknown in crypto, right? So let's discuss a little bit more. Bitcoin trying to bounce here, right? We have a previous low right here at about 13,304 for BTC. We're trying to get a little bounce, right? It's a little pipsqueak bounce. It looks like a little mouse bounce at this point, right? Bob's going nuts. You call that a freaking bounce? The hell is that? You can't even see that green candle. That's not a bounce. I have shits that are more green and bigger than that candle right there. That is such a small little bounce. We're going back down, right? We're bearish. We're bearish, obviously. Bobby coming up. But no, 19,514. Let's see if Bitcoin can bounce from a previous low. that's kind of what we're waiting for right now. As far as big moves, we're still holding that 786 retracement, right? From swing low to swing high, we're still holding that 786 fib level, right? So once again, wait to see if it breaks the previous low. If it holds it, okay, awesome, all right? Maybe we create some double bottom here, but we look at some of our 4-hour indicators here. 4-hour stock RSI cross to the downside at the top. So that one's already kind of played out, right? That 4-hour move for Bitcoin has already played out to the downside. 4-hour momentum looks like it's also about to cross, actually just crossed to the downside in the last 4-hour candle. So 4-hour momentum just crossed to the downside. So the 4-hour looks still a little bit shady. To me, in my opinion, if we go back to this 4-hour time frame, back over here, and we look at the BBWP, I know you guys love the BBWP. And no, it doesn't stand for what you think it does. Don't be weird. It doesn't stand for big woman, okay? It doesn't stand for that. But the BBWP, Bollinger Bands, how tight they are. On the 4-hour time frame, we're seeing we saw low volatility. That's getting across to the upside right now, right? When you see this volatility start to come in, it's gonna go usually in the way that the market's going at the current moment, right? 4 hours coming down, volatility about to pick up. So keep an eye on that, right? The 4-hour, though we're at support, looks a little shady, a little shady to your boy here, a little shady to your boy, man. Clay, what's going on, man? The fun in crypto. We're now moving from a recession to a depression. Clinty, take it easy on everyone, man. Clint's already coming out here and having not too much fun today. Guys, do you watch football? My Pats beat the shit out of the Steelers today. Beat the absolute piss out of the Steelers. They couldn't do shit. They got to take out Mitch. Actually, Mitch played decent. But my Pats kicked the Steelers' ass. So shout out to all the Pittsburgh fans out there. The Pats are going to the Super Bowl, man. Now, I went from yesterday saying that the Pats probably aren't going to make the playoffs. Now I think they're going to make the Super Bowl. So take it for what it is, man. Take it for what it is. Pump the Pats, man. Pump the Pats. All right, so the weekly close. Here's the deal, my friends. Here's the deal. We've talked about consistently, okay? As far as indicators goes, indicators are one piece of the puzzle, but the indicators have flashed, good signs for at least the weekly time frame for BTC, right? We've seen the hash ribbons buy signal. In the past, they're in bear markets. When you get that signal, that's been the time to accumulate some BTC. We saw the Pi cycle bottom cross. That's been a good time in the past. At the end of the day, I get it. We're in a different time period, right? I mean, if they come out with 100 basis points on Wednesday, which is still at this point a small percentage of probability based off what everyone's talking about, but if they do, all that stuff's not going to matter. At least what I want to see on the weekly close today. Here's what I want to see on the weekly close, guys. I want to see Bitcoin continue to make a higher weekly low, all right? So right now, we're flirting with this low, right? This low is down here at about 19,000, right about 19,300, man. I mean, it's sitting right there. Can Bitcoin close the weekly above 19,300? Well, if you're a bull and you want to see this play out, because I personally I do, but whatever happens, bro. If you're a bull, here's the deal. Here's the deal on the weekly time frame, guys. All right, I need you guys to get in here, and I need you guys to make some noise in the chat with some with some swords and shields, man. Come on. Vikings, we do not have time to play around anymore. All you bulls in the chat, we need all your help. We are recruiting to take the land back from the bears. So if you want to join and you want to fight back, we need to start buying more spots, BTC. So spam the swords, spam the shields in the chat, so we can get a higher weekly low and not make a lower weekly low. Because that would not be good for us. The bears will take all our wives, all our goats, and the cheese that comes with the goats. You know, the cheese with the goats is pretty good, you know. But they will take our cheese from the goats, and we can't have that. So push them back. Take the land back that is rightfully ours, and fight like you've never fought him before. There we go. We actually got a good amount of people in here today. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all the spam swords and shields in the chat. Come on, man. Holy moly. Look at this, bro. Only one person posts swords. There we go. We got a lot of bears in here coming. A lot of bears coming in here. No, but seriously, guys. Seriously, look at all the swords. Look at all the bears in here. Holy shit. All right. Let's go back over here. No, seriously. We want to see Bitcoin. If you want to remain decent here, I want to see Bitcoin close above 19.3. Personally, I don't want to see Bitcoin close a weekly candle down here, because then you're flirting with multiple different things. You're breaking the weekly low structure, okay? You're having an absolutely massive weekly bearish engulfing candle coming in right here, right? Massive weekly bearish engulfing candle here, right? Engulfing this candle, engulfing this candle. I don't want to see that, my friends. I don't want to see a weekly bearish engulfing candle. So, let's see what Bitcoin has for this weekly close, my friends. E30 looks so shitty on the weekly time frame. ETH looks horrible on the weekly, right? If you go to ETH real quick, look at ETH on the weekly time frame, guys. ETH has now smacked that support that we wanted to hold, right? 1425 is where we want to see ETH hold on a weekly close. But here's ETH sitting below that 1425 level, my friends. So, here we are. And, if we just look at this logistically, right? ETH breaks this low. Is it coming all the way back down to 1200? That's sort of the question we got to ask ourselves. And, if you look at this as a structure-wise, I mean, I can't say that. I wouldn't be surprised if ETH comes down to 1200 here. All right? So, keep an eye on this. But I will say, we need some hopium. Where's George when you need him? George! Hey, Jay Jordan, I'm here. You guys need some hopium? All right, here we go. I am George. We're all George. Guys, I'm seeing a lot of bearishness in Jordan's chat, and I'm seeing a lot of bearishness in my chat, and I have to say, guys, we are going to go up from here. The Fed is going to remain dovish here, right? We're going to get a 75 basis point rate hike. The market's going to already have it absorbed. Okay, it's going to be priced in, and we are going to go to the moon. We are going to go to the moon after Wednesday, okay? Until Wednesday, who knows what happens, but we are going to go to the moon after Wednesday's FOMC meeting, guys. Ethereum's bullish. We just had the merge, okay? It is going to go up. So don't have fear. Continue to DCA, continue to hodl, and we will make it through this, guys. And the people who make it through will be the true winners in this market. Okay? Now, let's do some Q&A. Go make a Lego car, George. I'm going to ban you from my chat, Drunk Bear. Get out of here, man. You don't be coming in my chat and spreading FUD on Legos, okay? All right. No, but ETH is breaking the support. So would I be surprised to see 1200? Absolutely not, right? And take it as it is, right? I don't want to see 1200 ETH. I don't. But I mean, you got to take what the market gives you. You know what I mean? So take it for what it is, my friends. Take it for what it is. We got rejected from the bear market resistance band, dumped. Bear market resistance band dumped. Bitcoin right now is still holding the lows, so let's not get overly dramatic yet. If Bitcoin starts coming back down here and closing candles below 19.2, then that's when you get a little bit pessimistic. I guess maybe not a little bit pessimistic, but you get a little bit short term, like, holy shit, this is crazy. But wait till we start closing candles down here for Bitcoin. ETH, Bitcoin still in a decent spot, right? We talked about the daily stock RSI. As long as it stays above this general yellow line here, I mean, it's all good. That might break today, so let's watch that carefully. But as long as we stay above this, at least since June, when we stay above this and we can get a bounce, that it's been a point where Bitcoin can go a little up, at least have a little bit of a relief rally, right? We break this yellow line, the stock RSI. It's usually not good, right? We did it here, right on this candle right here, and then we went pretty significant down, right? We did it on over here on this candle right, this candle right here. Bada bing, bada boom. This candle right here, we went pretty far down. So let's see what this daily candle, and it's easy to get caught up in the altcoin market dumping. But Bitcoin's like, it's down 3% today. I mean, it's really altcoins that are just taking an absolute beating today. Altcoins are getting beat down, right? Like The Rock came in and started strangling the altcoins, man. It's like this chick started looking at altcoins, right? This is basically what happened, right? Pretend this guy's an altcoin.
Hey, I'm an altcoin. I'm an altcoin. We're doing so good. We're getting a nice bounce. Wait, oh shit, what is that thing? Oh, shit. Oh, time to dump.
That's basically what happened to altcoins today, man. You know, so take it for what you will. KL said, I give up on crypto, too much scams. I'll see you in 2025, buddy. I'll see you in 2025 at all-time highs, my friend. Whenever I see anyone say I quit crypto, they'll be back. They'll be back. You know what I mean? Like they'll always be back. It'll be at all-time highs instead of down here. All right. So yeah, I mean, that's the basic gist of it today. I mean, we pretty much been holding the same range on BTC for the last 5 days, really. I mean, from September 13th, we pretty much gone sideways, slightly down. So not much has really changed. You know what I mean? Not much has really changed in the grand scheme of things here, my friend. Mouse guy face reveal. Nice. What are you guys saying in the chat, by the way? See you guys are saying. Psycho Pearl said, thoughts on Illuvium being at $50? Bro, I mean, all coins got crushed today, man. I mean, all coins across the board got crushed today. And Clint, I love you, buddy. I love you. Thanks for hanging out, Clint. Thanks for hanging out, Clint. Clint, Mike was right again. Just listen to Mike, man. You guys got to continue to listen to Mike. He spits facts. You know what I mean? He spits facts. Where's Mike? Here he is. Here's what Mike has to say today. I told you idiots! Like, it's too easy. You guys get euphoric over little moves. Like, guys, we're going down. Next stop for Bitcoin this week, 14K. Bitcoin will hit 14K on Friday this week. That's my guess. All right? So strap up. We're going down there. 14K on Friday this week. It's happening. All right? My left testicle is more accurate than you. Okay? And my left testicle hasn't been accurate in years. All right? So we're going to go down. There is no volume on Bitcoin. No one is buying Bitcoin. Okay? A company has not announced a buy on Bitcoin in a year and a half. Bitcoin is bearish. It's going down. All right? There's no adoption. None. I love how Mike just doesn't sugarcoat anything. He just lets it loose, man. He literally lets it loose, bro. He literally lets it loose. No, man. I mean, guys, to me, it's like, right now, to me, we're in a waiting pattern to see what happens on Wednesday. Okay? Wednesday can change everything. Literally everything. Everything. It can. And that's why I caution you to wait until then to make any rash decisions. Before then, who knows what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin could break the support, right? I mean, it could, but I'm not going to get too up in arms and too like emotional over this move until Bitcoin smacks. I mean, if Bitcoin closes the daily below 18.8, that's going to be no bueno, man. I mean, that you're breaking major support, right? Daily closes, wicks, daily closes. You start closing candles below 18.8. That's no bueno, my friends. That is no bueno. And yeah, I mean, you're probably going to come for these wicks over here, right? You see these two wicks? They're still juicy down there at 17.7. So, yeah, man. I mean, strap up. I think it's going to be a fun week. No matter which way you look at it, I think it's going to be a super fun week. Okay? Super fun week. Hash decisions are the best. True. Very true, man. Don't make any rash decisions. Let's see. No bueno. No bueno. What do you guys think? Let's see. If Gala goes to 3 cents, I'm doubling my bag. Yeah, Gala got wrecked today, man. I mean, everything kind of did, to be honest. Like, Near dropped 10% today. Near finds itself. I mean, Near's an interesting spot. I still think it comes back at this point. Does it come back down to test this previous low, these previous lows here? It wicked down here. Got a nice little wickaroo. So Near came and wicked down to these previous lows. You know, is that going to be the point where Near holds? Maybe, but all of a sudden Near now looks like a little bit like of this, you know, left shoulder, head, right shoulder action, a little inverse, head and shoulders action that, you know, let's see what happens. But yeah, man, I mean, I want to hold this neckline for sure. This juicy neckline wants to be held for Near for sure, man. Let's get rid of this because that's useless now. But yeah, I mean, the daily chart on Near, let's hold these previous lows, right? 375 in these previous highs right here. About 375, 376. Let's hold that level for Near. All in all, it is what it is. Let's check on ETH. ETH 1343. So ETH still, I think it's holding up right now. At least trying to hold up is the key term we're going for here, man. We asked for Gala. Gala broke lows. So Gala, let's go to Gala quick. So we wanted Gala to hold this level here. You know, one low, 2 lows, 3 lows, 4 lows. Gala smashed that to the downside. We look left. I mean, all of a sudden you find yourselves in Gala and there's really no price action looking left. So now you're just kind of going in blind. You're going in blind, right? Right now, you're literally blind right now, man. I can't make that. I can't make one of those jokes either. This is what Becker would tell you to do right now. Here's Becker. You would be literally the biggest dumbass of buying. No, just kidding. You would say, guys, Gala now finds itself at its lows, right? People who are smart are going to wait till Wednesday to see what happens. All right. Now, guess why I'm waiting till Wednesday? 1, I'm waiting for the FOMC meeting. 2, on Wednesday, I'm already gonna fuck your mom. Okay. So those are the 2 reasons why I'm waiting till Wednesday in order to buy Gala. All right. I need more money to bring your mom on a date. Okay. Bang her and then dump her back at your house. That's what I need to do. Why? Because I'm sexy and I got rich in crypto. That's why. Okay. Wait until Wednesday to see what happens. All right. Right now, Gala finds itself below its previous supports. It's a dangerous area. Okay. You guys do what you want to do. But here it is, man. All right. Take it for it. Take it for what it is. No. In all seriousness, Gala doesn't have any price action over here. So it's like, it's now one of those things that you're kind of riding blind here. Let's take the low to the highs. Yeah. I mean, you really don't got much. So you're riding blind there, my friends. Shots fired. All right. It's delicious. Delicious water today, man. Delicious water. Why Becker gonna play me like that? I don't know why Becker gonna play you like that, man. All right, what else we got, guys? And here's the big thing I'm watching right here. Here's the big thing I'm watching right now and this is total market cap, guys. Total market cap is the big thing that I don't love what's going on here on total. Okay, we have now broken that yellow kind of midline that we were waiting for, right? We had previous support in this range. I mean, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times in this range. And now it looks like total market cap has smashed that to the downside. Okay? If it closes below here, I mean, you just look at this as a structure standpoint. I mean, would I be surprised, quite frankly, to see total market cap come all the way back down to test this red box at the lows? I wouldn't be. I'm going to be honest. I wouldn't be. And, I was actually thinking this was going to hold. That was kind of before the little old CPI print last week. After that, man, it kind of got a little shady. So now we find ourselves breaking this yellow box. You know, is total market cap going to drop back down to 841 billion? Time will tell. Time will tell, but yeah, it's an interesting point for total there. Interesting point for total, my friends. Bar Chevy, thanks for joining, for coming up tonight. I mean, I'm always here on a Sunday, man. Don't give me too much props. I'm doing what I always do. You know what I mean? The middle finger pattern? Yeah, the middle finger pattern, my friend. Let's see. Let's go, Cowboys. Screw the Cowboys, man. Screw the Cowboys.
Dump it.
All right. Bitcoin, 1456. Come on, BTC. Give us some more action here. We got 30 minutes into the close, man. Man, Bitcoin got a little retrace on the 15-minute time frame. Is it going to come right back down? Let's see. It's going to be an interesting close, in my opinion. Is it going to come down to the wire as far as holding the weekly close lows? It might come down to the wire, my friends. And that's what's exciting here. That's what I'm waiting for right now. That's truly what I'm waiting for at the moment. ETH still holding up, 1342. Not really doing too much right now. Not really doing too much. I would say the next level to watch on Ethereum, guys, is the previous highs, right? These previous highs right here. We never actually back tested those. So right here, we got a massive move to the upside, right? Massive move to the upside. But we never back tested these highs right here, okay? Ethereum finds itself coming back down. 1279, give or take a few dollars there, but 1279 is the level I'm watching for ETH, okay? That's probably where I do have a take profit at 1279. I already took some profits off the board. 1279 is where probably I'd close that. But yeah, I mean, these previous highs, and you also have this downtrend of support, right? I'm not a big fan of downtrend of support, but take it for what you will. You have these lows coming down here. You got some confluence coming in right here at this range. All right, so this could be a point where maybe ETH gets a little bit of a relief back up, just to come right back down. So just take it for what you will. All right, 1279 is the level I'm watching for ETH there. We'll see if it makes it down there, but there's a lot of confluence there. A lot of confluence, my friends. BTC is bipolar. Bipolar? Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Stop beeping! Stop! I'm just trying to get home. Why are you yelling at me, bitch? Stop beeping. Listen, I'm rich and you're not. Don't. Did you just beep at me again? Don't beep at me. You're just mad because I'm rich and you're not. I'm the master shorter. You FOMO'd at the top of the bull market. Stop beeping at me. You're so annoying.
Whoa! You got this girl's going nuts outside over here. Holy moly, man. This is awesome. We got a fight going on over here. That's awesome, man. That's awesome, dude. They are stealing Jabba's Lambo? Sounds like more than that right now. Holy shit. Let's see. Rod said I could not live in the city. It's actually not too much beeping. It really only hear beeping when I'm streaming. I'm serious. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is a little bit of extra. You are extraordinary, man. That's, wow, skillful. Oh, no, that's skillful. That was Jesus. Jesus. Thanks for coming in and hanging out, man. I appreciate you coming and hanging out. That's all I can ask from you guys. Come in, hang out, let's talk some charts, and that's really it, dude. I appreciate you. That's super awesome words, man. That makes me feel good when I get stuff like that. Appreciate you, my friend. Appreciate it. Let's get that was good vibes. Maybe Bitcoin will help us now since you're spreading the good vibes, my friend. No, Gala. Yeah, Gala. Yeah, there it is. 4 hours. A lot of you guys are looking like the Bitcup Gala. I wouldn't say. I'm gonna be serious. Like down here, I mean, you don't know where you're gonna find support really. Anywhere down here, I mean, long-term buy. I'm not gonna hate it for a long-term buy. Okay, you do what you want to do. I can't hate on you for buying down here. Okay, because I've bought in many Bitcoin and altcoins at these levels as well. So I mean, Gala. I'm not a big like, okay, you're down 95%, it's a good buy. Gala wicked down 95% from its previous all-time highs. Doesn't mean it can't go down 99%. And there's a big difference between 95% and 99%. But Gala, indicators are getting a little bottomed out. Does it have a small little reversal back to the upside? It could at this point. But just be careful down here because there's no support, A couple other ones, Dot breaking that support. Man, look at these, man. It's crazy, dude. Let's go to Dot on the daily. Look at Dot, man. Even Dot's down at its bear market lows. Altcoins are pushing it, man. Be careful with altcoins because Bitcoin dominates. Look at Bitcoin dominance, guys. And we talked about this could be Bitcoin's time to shine again. We talked about this on Friday, right? Whenever Bitcoin dominance gets down at these lows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Whenever Bitcoin dominance gets down at these lows and starts to rise back up, it could be Bitcoin's time to shine. Okay, it's been, right? Altcoin season, altcoin season, altcoin season, altcoin season. Bitcoin season, Bitcoin season, Bitcoin season, Bitcoin season coming again. Does that mean altcoins are going to get ready to get smacked by Bitcoin? Could be. Right? It could be. Based off previous times, that has been the case. Dot's pushing its lows here. Pushing its daily close lows. It's very, very close. Does it have enough juice to break? That's, you're getting very close. 646 for Dottie. For Miss Little Dottie here. Let's see what else we got. Where could Dot go now? Let's just look lower here. Dot's at these previous high lows. I mean, 550 at the very least. This 550 range. Right in this range. Between 530 and 550, man. Here's the next level I looked at for Dot. It's a pretty significant move. We'll see if it plays out. But holy shit, man. See you at Dot, see you at 3. Could be down there too. Sol. Yeah, man. Here. Sol's coming down too. Sol finds itself pretty much right at these lows again. If Sol breaks that, I mean, coming down for these wicks. Coming down for these juicy wicks at $25. Could be the case. Could be the case. You're going to see short-term time frames be a little bit shot, but that depends on what Bitcoin does, right? Short-term time frames for alts, when Bitcoin's at such a critical level, it's one of those things. I got to watch Bitcoin before I get too over and up in arms over any altcoin chart, right? Hourly looks like it's coming back up. Hourly stocks bottomed out, so you could have a short-term reversal to come take this little vector candle right here. But, I mean, you are still at support. I don't want to, be this guy who's like, all right, we're at support. Let's get super, super bearish. These still going to be points where you're looking for short-term longs at support. But I'm just sort of talking if these levels break, it could be, it could be a pretty significant drop for a lot of these altcoins. SHIB. Let's see, Shibanichi. The Shiba. See where the Shiba is. A lot of dry powder, but the police took it. God, man. Oh, my Lord. Lordy. Let's come back over here real quick. Who else we got? Where's my guy? Let's see what Carl has to say, man. Carl, what do you got to say? Come on, Carl. Carl, come on, buddy. Come on. My name is Carl, and they've seen jumping back into the moon. Hey guys, my name is Carl. Thanks for jumping on to today's. Oh, sorry, that's too enthusiastic. Hey Carl, thanks for jumping on to today's Bitcoin TA video. Let's do some TA on Bitcoin. Guys, before we even do the TA, if you want to trade like me, make sure you guys use my Bybit link right down below where you get a massive, and I mean massive, $4,100 bonus where you can get the same lifestyle as me trading over on Bybit. Okay, so go use my link over on Bybit, and you guys can trade like me. Now let's do some TA, right? Let's do some TA real quick on Bitcoin. So, guys, Bitcoin finds itself right at the weekly support. If Bitcoin breaks this weekly support, it's going to 14K. That's all I have for you guys today. Okay? Now, if you guys want to trade that and short Bitcoin like I'm about to do, go use my Bybit link down below. Okay? Thank you, guys. Thank you. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. My Bybit link is right down below in case you didn't hear the rest of the video. Bybit link is right down below.
Why did I even click on this stupid video? I always click because he says emergency video. And I always freaking click like a dumbass. And it's 2 seconds of TA. God, man. I always fall for it. I'm such a retail noob. Why do I click on the stupid clickbait thumbnails? God, man. It looks like he's sucking a goddamn dick.
All right. Anyways, 1421. Here we go. Come on, BTC. It's going to be a nail biter, man. 22 minutes until the weekly close. That's what we're waiting for today. It's going to be fun. It's going to be nice. My grandma's going to be asking me when to buy Bitcoin when we're at 14K.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
It's going to be great, man. My family members love to ask me if they should buy Bitcoin when it's low. I don't know what it is about this bear market. For the first time, for the first time, okay? You guys like the lip quiver? You gotta add the lip quiver in, man. Some people just have like when they're mad, their lip just goes nuts, man. Goes nuts. I know someone like that. I know 2 people like that. Laughing. Bob is my favorite. All right. So come on, man. All right, 14408. Come on, BTC. If you're gonna do something, do it now, at least. You know, at least spare our emotions a little bit. You know what I mean? That's what I'll ask for. 15-minute momentum just crossed back to the downside. 15-minute stock's about to cross back down to the downside if this 50-minute candle closes where it is in the next 5 minutes. All right. So that's that. All cryptos about XRP are going to zero. You think so? Man, XRP had a weird. Can we talk about XRP real quick? XRP was going nuts over the weekend. I kept opening my little trading view on my phone because I wasn't really looking at the charts too much this weekend, but I kept opening trading view. And, dude, I mean, XRP over the weekend, it went up about 24%. For 2 days of a pretty nice price actions. Came back down to test this downtrend of resistance for XRP, right? XRP had this big downtrend of resistance on the daily. It was able to break that with volume, man. You break that with volume. Nice, right? And then you came back down. Now you're testing it. Is this level going to hold for XRP? That's the question. If XRP starts closing candles back down here, it's probably coming all the way back down to these lows at 31 cents. So watch carefully on XRP, at least for the short term. But XRP is like the one that is actually holding a generally decent structure. But that can change in a flip of a dime. In a flip of a dime, that can change. You know what I'm saying? In a flip of a dime. XRP pumped 10% after it did nothing for 5 years. Hey, I'm giving the XRPers their weekend, okay? They're having a good weekend. That could change instantly this week. But at least let them have a little bit of time, right? Let them have a little bit of a time. And maybe if XRP goes back to 30 cents, maybe Jordan will pick up some XRP, man. Maybe I will. I've been saying that forever. But maybe I will. Maybe I'll pick up some XRP at 30 cents. Maybe. Don't come at me for it. If I don't buy XRP at 50 cents, don't come at me for it, my friends, okay? Take that. Now, because you know why? This is why. This is why I'll buy XRP at 30 cents. The biggest channel in the interwebs. Guys, the XRP case, in my opinion, will be settled in 2022. Just like I said, it'll be settled in 2021, and I said it's going to be settled in 2020. Okay, it will be settled at the end of 2022, and XRP, in my opinion, just like my thumbnail says, could go to $385 by the end of 2022. Okay, so I personally am a big fan of XRP. I think they're going to win this case, and as soon as they do, they're going to $385, even though that doesn't even make sense for market cap. Okay, that would be like all the world's money. Okay, so that's all I have to say for you guys. As always, peace out. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Anyways. All right. Anyways, let me take a sip of water here. Man. Delicious stuff. Delicious. Delicious. Oh, man. What was I going to do next? Oh, real quick. Bitcoin on the weekly chart. Guys. We got to get ready for this. We're about to see a monumental move on the weekly time frame. And it could be this week. It could be starting this week. Right? We've talked about how the BBWP on the weekly is extremely, extremely low, which means that volatility in the weekly has been extremely low for a long time. And when that happens for Bitcoin, a monumental, and I mean a monumental move, most likely is coming for Bitcoin. Okay? Last 2 times we had it, April 25th, we know what happened from then. Bitcoin dropped 60% to the downside. Could that happen again? Possible. The time before that was right here. BBWP was bottomed out, crossed to the upside. Bitcoin went on a 400% move to the upside. Could that happen again? Maybe not right now, but you get the point, right? A big move is coming. I sniff it. I sniff it. And I'm not going to want to be a C here and say that it's 100% going to go to the upside, 100% going to go downside. In my opinion, I think Wednesday will be a deciding factor whether it's going to be to the downside. All right? I think it will. If they surprise us on Wednesday, just be prepared for some volatility. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to say be prepared for some volatility. That's all I'll say. It's coming. Oh, it's coming, man. It's coming, man. It's sitting right there. But the good thing that we have, at least I'll say for the good thing, which, you know, in these times, we live in a clown world nowadays. We do. Right? We live in a very much clown world. Here's what I'll say. The good thing is, if you want to say compared to previous Bitcoin bear markets, okay, and you want to say that the bottom's going to happen a year after the previous top, which doesn't have to be, right? I mean, we're just speculating based off previous bear markets. But if it's going to do that, at least if we get that move to the downside, can we say that Bitcoin will bottom in maybe November or December of this year? That's what the previous 2 bear markets did, okay? They bottomed a year after the previous high. That would be in November or December of this year, which would kind of put us on par, which we're expecting a, how should we call this? We're expecting a volatile next couple weeks. That could put you right on par for these lows, man, if the bearish scenario plays out. Now, I'm hedged either way. I got my long-term bags ready to go. If we go to the upside, awesome, okay? I have some hedge shorts ready to go. That I have one already in for Ethereum. If we want to dump to the downside, I got my short in for Ethereum. So I'm hedged myself that way. All right. Be prepared either way, and just go with it, man. I mean, last week I was a little bit more bullish than I am now. The reason is because I expected the CPI to be better than it was. Unfortunately, it came in pretty bad, and since then the market kind of took a turn, especially for ETH. So. Hey man, take it for what you will. Just be prepared. Be prepared. The level to watch for Bitcoin to me is 18.8. We close any daily below that. It could get a little shady here. Could get a little shady here in the short term, my friends. Let's see. XRP will 100x before it's even relisted. You think so? Maybe. that would be intense. We got 14 minutes until the daily close, man. 14 minutes. To the daily and weekly close, man. What's going to go down? What's going to go down?
Bitcoin's going to 10K. We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Which one is going to go down? Let's see. Let me see here. Clint, what are you saying here, man? I asked my wife what BBWP meant. She didn't hesitate to punch me. Not a good indicator. Oh, Lord. That's like Java, man. That's like Java.
Hey, Melissa. Jordan's talking about an indicator on a stream. I don't know what it means. What's BBWP? What does that mean? What's BBWP?
What the heck did you just say, Jabba? What did you just say, Jabba? Say it again. Say it again. BBWP. What is it? It looks like a cool indicator. Excuse me? Come here. Come here. All right. Anyways, 395. Come on, BT Sizzle. Give us something, man. Give us something. ETH. Let's continue to come down. 1332, man. 1332, man. Holy moly. BTC. ETH. Let's go to the hourly on ETH. All right. ETH coming down to test its lows again on the hourly time frame. What do we got? We're looking for 1279 on ETH, man. It's my target for ETH. Bitcoin, still chilling, still chill. She got big hands. This is so ridiculous. I love it. Of course you love it, man. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, man. If you guys want to maybe look at any altcoins, let me know. Alex C, do I have any buy orders at the moment? I mean, dude, I bought this range. I bought near like a couple days ago, so that was like kind of what did I buy? Want to buy at this range. Right now, I want to let the dust settle till Wednesday. I think. Right now, I'm actually sure. So I don't have any long-term buy orders necessarily set. I want to see what happens on Wednesday. All right. If Bitcoin comes down to like back down to this 18K, 17K region, I'll probably pick up some. I mean, other than that, I mean, you're just waiting for the next move down, man. If it is, but right now I want to see what happens on Wednesday. I'll kind of let the dust settle there because even if we get 75 basis points, something tells me we're just going to be stuck in this range for longer. So, you know, I want to let the dust settle till Wednesday, basically. Too depressing to look at alts. Yeah. XRP is a little bit dicey. Let's look at Alluvian. Let's look at Alluvian real quick. Alluvian. Let's see. Man. Settlement this month. Jeez. Alluvium. Goodbye. Okay, we were looking at this last time, I think. And I think last time we said, okay, you broke the lows. The problem with Alluvium, you look left. At least on this chart, there's nothing there, right? So, you broke the lows on Alluvium. All right. We talked about the 1.618 being that level you want to watch. You could argue you could stretch it out like this, but that's getting smacked to the downside. So you could take swing low to swing high. I would say the level to watch here is the 1.618 down here at 48.55. And that's really it. Like, other than that, I mean, you kind of ride them blind here. Because, I mean, you've pretty much been dumping straight since August. Just from 119 down to 55, just dumping straight down like a cannon. Like a cannon back down here, man. 48.45. If you enjoy Alluvium. It's probably what we're looking at the very least. You're in black screen territory to the downside, as they would say. You know? All right, man. We got 9 minutes into the close. Let's hang out and watch BTC here because we got 9 minutes into the weekly close. It's a big weekly close, man. It is. Not every weekly close is big, but this one's big for multiple different reasons. I would like to avoid the big weekly bearish engulfing candle here, which looks like you're going to get, as long as Bitcoin closes below 19,550, you're going to get that big, massive weekly bearish engulfing candle where you're engulfing the two previous candles, which is no bueno. And we want to get a weekly close above 19,000 to, it's really 19,300, right? So we're about $100 away from that. And we got 8 minutes to go. So is it going to be a nail? Is it going to be one of these like fight for the close type deals? Well, Well, we're here to wait for it, man. We're here to wait for it. Every close is big. Every close is big, Jim. You know how it is. Every close is big. You know how it is, my friend. Just like my muscles, man. Why do you think I say every close is big? You want to fight me, Jim? Jim, you come at me, bro. I will literally come over there and strangle you, Jim. Okay? Do not say that Jordan says every close is big. Because I am big. I close everything big. Why? Because I'm jacked. That's why. Come at me again. Come mess with these biceps, bro. Come at me. Come at me. I will strangle you, Jim. Strangle you. So right. Who else is going to strangle one of his viewers? Someone that's viewing the stream. No one else, man. That's why we're here. That's why we're here. Jordan is jacked. Thank you, Tony. That was totally me, my friend. Totally me. Totally me. Oh, man. I got to take a massive piss right now. Anyone else have to take a massive piss? Let me know in the chat. Some of you guys might be watching me while you're taking a piss. Which is, you know, it is what it is. I think Bob does that all the time. All right, yes, here we go. Take my, where's my penis? I can't find it in here. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, I got it. Wow, look at Jordan. His stream freaking sucks. Wow. Well, this is nice. Hey, Ma, we're out of toilet paper. No, I need it. Can you grab me some toilet paper? Oh, shit, man. Oh, we're out of toilet paper. I'm so dumb. 1394. 1394. Let me know. Just did? Nice. Nice. This is another bathroom stream? Oh, no. We haven't had a bathroom stream in a long time. No bathroom stream for a long time. Jordan has a weak bladder. I can hold my pee. Dude, I drink so much liquid. You have no idea. See you in my abyss, my little Gen Z and millennial. Clint, you guys love to... See, can I do a quick rant alert real quick? Quick rant alert.
Rant alert.
The older generation loves to shit on Gen Z and millennials. But newsflash, who raised Gen Z and millennials? You guys did. You guys can blame yourself.
Rant alert.
And guess what? Our country's in the biggest shit show. Who's in power in most of those positions? You guys.
Rant alert.
Ding, 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 ding. Come at millennials, man. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Just a little bit. Not really. I'm not kidding at all, actually. But it is what it is. Keep a beat bottle on hand boat. I mean, I could. I have a glass right here. It's an invisible glass, but you could do that. All right, here we go. 5 minutes. 5 minutes until the close, man. 5 minutes until the close. Let's see. Rant alert 5. I would say that's a good rant, man. Let me see what you guys said on the poll, by the way. Will Bitcoin hold 19,200 for the weekly close? 53% of you guys said yes. So here we are. We're $80 away with 4 minutes to go. It's gonna be a fight for the Bears, man. Fight for the Bears. Fight for the Bulls. Either way, the weekly is not looking great. I would say at the moment with this bearish engulfing candle here on the weekly. Last time you got one was right here. And you had one more big weekly candle close that brought you down to the lows. So just keep that in mind. It's not the end of the world, but it's not the weekly candle you want to see necessarily. Stock market futures are actually up. So keep that in mind. Like, if Monday can come and the stock market can come up a little bit, that might save Bitcoin. That might save Ethereum. But as always, like my guy Tito likes to say, beware of the Monday move, man. So right now, stock futures are coming up. If they're green tomorrow, I would be a little bit cautious going for the rest of the week. Because as we know, what normally happens is if they move the price up into big news, that could just be them building their shorts to bring it right back down. Okay? So just be wary on that. But the stock market is actually up a little bit, a tad here on the little futures here. I told you that speculative BTC need to be shorted. Stark, Good job, man. I'm proud of you, buddy. Proud of you. Gen Z can't open a can with a can opener? Well, I'm not Gen Z, so I can't speak for Gen Z. I think you guys are a little bit too hard on millennials, but Gen Z, yeah, Gen Z's a shit show, man. I will definitely say that. That is definitely for sure. I will definitely say that. All right. Anyways, let's keep going on over here. 1334. We chillin'. I'm so mean. Let's see. Thanks for increasing my... Let's see. Doing too much math with Bob. Let's see. Big bounce at close. Weekly hold support held. We can hold it, man. We're trying to hold it right now. I was reading what you guys said. Bitcoin's still at support, right? It's still at its 786. It's still at the level where it bounced off multiple times. So that's why I said earlier in the stream, I'm not going to get too worried until Bitcoin starts breaking below this green box, right? That's it, right? We got to wait to see what if Bitcoin breaks below this green box. That's it. Keep it 100, man. Keep it 100. Who am I? Holy Lord, man. How much of FOMC is priced in with this dumpage? 75 is priced into me. 75 is priced into me. At 19K BTC. 100, probably not. If they come in with 100, it's just going to create a bunch of fear in the market, man. And how much of that is priced in? Who the frick knows? And until we kind of get there, but I'd argue if they come with 100, I bet we see at least 18 to 18K again at the very least. At the very least, in my opinion. It depends on what they do, right? It depends on what they do. Holy moly, man! I'm like bouncing up and down because I have to pee. It is what it is. It won't move until you get off stream. Facts. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Here we go. 5 seconds to the daily close. 5, 4. Here we go. The daily close just happened, my friends. There it is. Bitcoin holds the weekly support, at least for now. So there we go. Let's get a pump song going for holding the weekly close, man. Come on. Still a terrible day, but come on, man. Come on. How did I get over here? Somehow I ended up on the left side, but that's okay. We're going to hang out over here. You guys like me over here? Yes or no? Suck it. Suck it, Biz. Suck it, Biz. Wait, it sounds kind of wrong, man. Why would you want to tell a bear to suck it? What you're going to tell the bear is to get kicked in the balls. At least temporarily. Kick him in the balls. Boom! It's my favorite meme, man. I can't wait till we can start bringing that back, and every dip we can go, you know what, Bears? Take it. Boom! Right in the kisser. Everyone look at the screen. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, run. Boom! Right in the kisser. Literally right in the kisser, man. I can't wait till we start kicking the Bears in the balls again. But right now we held. So at least for now, all's good in the world. We survived another week. We'll see what next week brings. Next week is gonna be maybe the boom right in the kisser, but we survived another week of a higher low. Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's party, man. And what we maybe did this week, to be fair, is did we just come back down to take this wick on the weekly time frame, right? So we still had this massive wick on the weekly. Was this just a move to come back down, take this juicy liquidity right here? We'll find out in the next episode of the Cryptoverse, right? Well, we shall definitely find out. All right, so that's that. That is that. All coins look like they're trying to hold that right now. So We'll see what altcoins do. But all in all, looks like not the best weekly close, but one that we'll take. Ethereum's weekly close, not the best. To be fair, we broke below the previous lows on Ethereum, so ETH is kind of the opposite. All right. He just burped. Oh man.
What the? This is ridiculous. I was told the merge was bullish. Why are we dumping? Everyone told me that Ethereum merge was bullish long term. My long term view is 3 days. Why did we dump? I cannot handle this volatility. I am getting out of Ethereum now. This is too much volatility for me. I do not have the long-term view of these Bitcoin maxis. I am out. I am out of the market.
Clint, please stop the goddamn clapping. Clint, I will clap if I want to clap, okay? I will clap if I want to clap. So, take it for what it is. All right? Here you go, Clint. I love pissing him off. But yeah, I mean, I'll stop. I'll try to stop clapping, man. It's a habit at this point. I feel like I almost need to clap. It's a bear market, and you got to have fun when you can. So, how do you have fun during a bear market? You clap. That's all you can really do. I mean, my Pats won today. I clapped. Right? ETH dropped today. I clapped a little bit. So let me clap, man. Let me clap. Happy clappy, man. BRMC, what's going on, buddy? Jack, what's up, dude? Good to see you. Mike said, yeah, Clint, it's a free country. It's a free damn country. It's my stream. Let's see. All right. So now we're kind of just in a limbo now. Here we go. But I mean, like I said, right now, guys, we're just at support. So there's not too much to say that's new that we already haven't talked about for the last 5 days. We've been at this pretty much the same level here, around like 19.4. We just keep bouncing between 19.4 and really 20K, right? 20K, 19.4, 20K, 19.4. Would be surprised if we bounce to 20K again? No, I would not be whatsoever. But we'll take it as the cookie crumbles. Code Rocks, what's up, buddy? ETH is now pretty much deflationary. Someone just gave the stupidest advice. Stupidest. All right, listen, man. I agree with you.
Rant alert.
Okay? I agree with you, but holy shit, man. You cannot come on here and say stupidest.
Wow, this guy's stupidest. I'm going to give advice. Guys, first of all, I saw someone in the chat give the stupidest advice. Now I'm going to give mine. Okay? ETH is deflationary. Don't sell. God, man, this guy's the stupidest.
The stupidest. I actually kind of like that word, though. It's somewhat satisfying, It's somewhat satisfying. All going to zero. I love the guys who just come in the chat. My favorite people in the space are people just come in the chat and do this. This is what they do.
We're going to zero. Yeah, Jordan, we're going to zero.
Yeah, man, like, I'm just going to type in the chat, we're going to zero. Bitcoin's a scam. Bitcoin's going to zero. We are in a recession. Bitcoin's going to zero. Ah, man. What's going on, guys? It's Bottom Dweller. Still waiting for, 10K Bitcoin. It's coming. It's coming. I've been waiting for like 3 months for the next drop, and it might come this week. You gotta love the Bottom Dweller. It's so nice being a Bottom Dweller. You guys get so happy for all these little short-term pumps, and I'm just waiting for 10K Bitcoin. I'm just chilling with my stable coins. Oh, Lord. That's more stupid than the last thing you talked? Facts. Who's a Bottom Dweller, man? Let me know in the chat. Are you a Bottom Dweller? Yes or no? Let me know. Let me know. Let me do a quick poll, by the way. Quick poll. No. Do I have a poll I want to ask? Not really. Not really. E1336. Let's jump through a few altcoins. I mean, I know altcoins did shitty today, so take it for what you will. Matic finds itself at support. Okay, for all you Matic fans out there, you got previous lows right here. So previous highs, previous lows, previous lows, previous lows. Matic finds itself right at support. Matic could be the next the cliff dweller here. Okay, Matic still got this giant daily vector candle down here. All right, you got to see Matic come and, you know, back to this region down here, man, is what I'd be looking for. You know, if it can't hold this level here, do you see Matic come all the way back down to 55 cents or so? Could be, right? I mean, it sounds crazy now, but definitely could be sitting right at support here on the daily time frame. Right at support. Boom, right in the kissa. Boom, right in the kissa. Now, once again, don't get overly bearish until it breaks, right? So right now you're at support. I'm not a big believer in getting super bearish at support until you see the confirmed break. Okay, so right now, once again, you know, you're at a point where you bounce from a couple different times. If the daily starts bouncing back up here again, okay. Once again, if it gets down here though, that's when it start looking a little shady, and you could see 55 cents. But all in all, wait to see kind of what happens right here at support for Matic. All right, you know, a couple other ones. Doge looks like it broke. Actually, no, Doge is still at daily support too at the wicks. Right, 1 wick, 2 wicks. Doge finds itself right at support. Once again, you're at support. Don't get too bearish at support until it breaks. But once again, I mean, if Doge breaks this, let's see, right in this range. It's not a crazy move down. 5.4 cents or so. Got a couple previous daily closes there. So once again, I mean, a lot of alts are cliff diving, or cliff hanging, I should say. Hanging off a cliff. Cliff hanging. Hanging cliff. However you want to say it, man. That's Doge. BNB. B and Bizzle. Whoa! Someone's coughing. Someone's sick. Previous low, previous high, previous low. BNB right at the level you want to watch for too. BNB breaks there. 242. Once again, don't get overly bearish until it breaks though. Okay? Don't get overly bearish until it breaks. Daily stocks and a lot of these are getting bottomed out, right? Which could mean that the selling pressure is going to start to wane off a little bit. Oh God. Jabba, what'd you do now, dude?
No! No! Right when I get a massive short. Come on, man. I'm getting pulled over. Here we go. Yes, officer. Yes. Yes. What did I do, officer? What did I do wrong? I didn't do anything wrong. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Officer, what did I do? It's donuts. Yes. Sir, you were actually just going 70 miles per hour in a 30 mile per hour range. Sir, you cannot be driving that fast. You can't be driving that fast. I'm sorry. Okay. Can you let me off? Listen, I have no money. Listen, and I'm cute, you know? I'm cute. And that donut looks really good. Can I eat that donut that's revolving around you? I can? Oh, thank you. Listen, I'm cute and I'm cuddly. I'm a good guy, you know? So, can you let me go, officer?
Wow, you are really cute. You know, I'll let you go. And you know, here's a donut. Here's a donut for you. Here's a donut.
Wow, thank you so much. All right, see you, officer. All right, he's gone. He thinks I'm a good guy. I'm not. And I'm not that cute. I'm fat as shit. Okay. See you guys. See you.
All right. There we go. Anyways, for 19,400 for BTC. Will BTC hold? We'll stay on for a little bit longer here, guys. We'll see what we do. ETH is coming back down to test support too. as you know. Can we make this ticket go away? Go away, son, officer. Not like that, man. Don't get weird. It's not getting that weird in here. Holy shit. Let's see. Now do the part where you finally shoot him. Oh, God. No, man. Don't say that. In the floating... As an actual cop, I approve of this avatar look in the floating donut halo. Thank you. Thank you, man. I don't... Do cops actually eat donuts? Like, I've actually never seen a cop eat a donut, to be fair. To be fair. And if you're a cop out there and you do eat donuts, that's cool. I love donuts too. But I personally, is that like a true thing? Do cops eat donuts a lot? I have to know. Man. Right now we're chilling, guys. Right now, Bitcoin's being a little bit of a annoying little buzzy because it's chilling right at support. I want to see if it breaks now. Ethereum, same deal, kind of being a little bit buzzy, just kind of chilling at the lows here. So, see what happens tonight, man. Let's see what happens tonight going into tomorrow. The stock market futures are actually green. So, take that for what you will going into tomorrow. That's a good one. In New York, you have never seen a cop eat a donut? To be honest, I don't actually ever really see cops in New York. Actually, no, that's not true. That's not true. Actually, I never see cops driving. Ever in New York. The only time I see them when they're standing there, they're just literally standing there against a building. And that's really it. But I don't see that many cops in New York, to be fair. He lives a sheltered life, DJ. I actually don't. Like, I'm probably outside way more than the average person is. Like, outside of work. I had a cop leave a chocolate finger. What? I don't even know what that means, dude. You guys want to see Elon? Okay, here you go.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping. Vitalik clapping.
Oh, man. What's Elon? Elon has something to say about crypto right now. We haven't seen Elon in a while on the stream. Come on, Elon. Come on, Elon. Come on, man. Oh, God. Hey, guys. What's going on? It's Elon Musk. Yeah, man. You guys are still holding your crypto? What a bunch of idiots. I dumped that shit months ago. Me and Tesla, we dumped all our Bitcoin and I dumped all my personal bags of Doge. Quite personally. I can't believe you guys are still holding that bullshit. There's a reason why we dumped it. You know, we were one of the only big companies that bought Bitcoin, and even we dumped that shit. You know, so yeah, have fun. I mean, we're still holding 25% of our Bitcoin. You know, just for good morale, so people didn't take it out on Tesla. But yeah, man, I mean, we dumped that shit. We dumped that shit a long time ago. And I haven't talked about crypto since then. I just joined the hype train. It was fun. It was a meme, you know. Now I'm off of it. I'll see you guys in the next bull market, though. See you guys. Peace. Oh, man. Oh, man. What you gonna do, man? What you gonna do? I'll buy... Oh, Lord. All right, 14,411. Here we go. Not gonna lie, it's very creepy. No, it's not. Mo keeps looking for, asking for Aave. Let's go take a look at Aave real quick. So Aave is Aave. Let's see. Man. Yeah, so ever since Aave broke from this rising wedge, it's been poopy on the daily. It's came back down to take this vector candle right here. You see this vector candle? Right here, man. Boom! Boom to the downside, right? You took this yellow vector. Awesome. Now, what are you waiting for? I mean, you're sitting right at these previous highs, right here. So that could be an interesting point. If Bitcoin wants to hold these levels, this would be the point you want to see Aave hold. If Aave doesn't hold there, man, oh man, oh man. Do you see down here at these lows again? Most likely. Most likely. I would say there's a good chance in that. But wait, once again, wait to see if this level holds. If this level holds, it's all good in the at least temporarily in the cryptoverse. We had that rising wedge. Is there actually? It's more of a freaking channel. Yeah, I was gonna say, all right, is there maybe some type of falling wedge going on? But it's kind of just a kind of a falling channel. It's very similar to ETH. ETH has the same thing going on. So this could be a support level. We bounced here once, twice, 3 times. It has some confluence since this previous high. But yeah, I mean, if this level breaks, I mean, we'd be surprised to see 56 Aave. But once again, do not get too bearish until this breaks. I don't like to get bearish at support when the time frame you're looking at has the stocks bottomed out. I don't enjoy that. So once again, keep your cool until you see support levels break, and then that's when you can get, you know, maybe a little bit. You can get a little bit Frankie. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, buddy? Any bounce here at 19.4? So far, it's been pretty weak. But, I mean, Bitcoin can have weak bounces and still bounce. Like, for example, right here. Look at this 4-hour time frame. The initial bounce was horrible. And you had 1, 2, 3, 4 4-hour candles that just chilled at the lows. And then all of a sudden, boop! Up to 23K, right? So I'm not a big fan of, okay, the bounce was not big. That means it's not going to come. I'm not a big fan of that because Bitcoin can bounce at any time. So right now, once again, you're holding that 786. You're holding the previous low. If that breaks, that's when you start looking at 18.6. All right? But for now, you're chilling. You're chilling. You're chilling like a villain, man. You're chilling like a villain. If you cut the wicks off the bottom, cut them off the top too. Let's see. Oh, an Aave? I mean, you could use the wicks. If you cut the wicks like this, with the fake out at the top, could be something like that, yeah. Could be something like that. Whoa! Oh, Bobby boy. God's Unchained? I got you, Psycho. Let's look at God's Unchained. God's Unchained. What do I get? That gets you hyped. God's Unchained. That just sounds like some badass coin, doesn't it? Nice little pump on God's Unchained. Nice, man. There you go. I'll give you a pump song for God. We need a little bit of positivity in here. Why not? Daily, nice little pump. I would say when you zoom out, I mean, it is where it's at, but, you know, nice little pump for the daily. You know, I'm not going to get too up in arms about this, but nice little pump, man. There you go. Congratulations, man. It's like a 2x. Like a 2x on that pump, man. Hopefully it took a little bit of profits off that. Nice little pump, though, man. Bah! That's God's Unchained. But, yeah, I mean, you just pretty much wicked to the previous highs, right? Let's look at the shorter term time frames real quick. 4-hour time frame. Had a nice pullback, so you kind of reset. Let's see. 4 hours still coming down. Hourly actually doesn't look too bad. I would say there's a good chance this can bounce. At least for the short term, right? At least for the short term. At least a little bit of a bounce. I'll wait for a break of trend here. But this one, you know, you come back to the moving averages, right? So you reset to the 20 EMA. Hourly stocks bottomed. Momentum coming up on the hourly. Wouldn't be surprised to see have one more crack to the top here. But that's the point where you got to be careful because at every high, we know we have an M formation, right? So if you do break to the upside, it could just be you taking this wick and this vector candle in the 4-hour time frame and the big wick on the daily time frame, right? Which would be an M formation on the hourly. So, if this does come up, which, you could come back down a little bit more to the 50 EMA and then come up, but I just based look out the short-term time frames. Wouldn't be surprised to see one more move up and then the daily being topped out and then kind of booping back. Depending on what, obviously depending on what Bitcoin does as far as like a macro trend, but the next couple of days, probably something along those lines. Clinton has clap. The only thing Clint's clapping is Clint is clapping his wife, man. Come on, Clint. Don't worry about me clapping. You know what I'm saying? You know what you need to do. This is for Clint. Clint, get over there, my friend. This is Clint.
Clinty boy, I heard you don't like clapping. That's not what you told me last night. I know you like to clap. Don't tell Jordan not to clap if you like to clap. You know what I'm saying? That's hypocritical. All right? But Clinty, I'm here when you want me, baby. Bitcoin might bounce from here, which means I'm looking for a bull. And you're a bull, baby.
Let's see what you guys said. Mike, what's going on, man? Can you give me $5 worth of clapping just to annoy Clint further? There we go. That might be $5 worth. If you want more, another $5. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. But yeah. So 19448. This is a different clap. It's a different clap. Oh man, the bear market streams are the best streams, in my opinion. All right, so that's the general gist. It's a general gist today, man. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold this support. Okay, it's basic sense. It's a Sunday, guys. I'm gonna get off here. It's a Sunday. Have a fantastic rest of your night. I'm gonna get off, enjoy the rest of the night, and I'll see you guys early, right? 9:45 for the Monday infamous close. Stock market is green going into tomorrow. So we'll see if it stays green going into tomorrow. But can the stock market pull up Bitcoin tomorrow? That's the question. Overall, we're kind of just waiting for Wednesday, right? We're waiting for Wednesday. There's a lot of speculation going on what's going to happen Wednesday, what's not going to happen on Wednesday. That's the big fun we got coming on, man. This is fun. Fun, man. Opportunities. Volatility brings opportunities. Whether it's gains on your backs to the upside, whether it's the market going down, giving you better buy opportunities, whether the market going down, giving you better short opportunities. Volatility gives you opportunities. And once again, we have another event that's coming up that should give us some volatility. All right? So let's get ready for it tomorrow. Let's see what the market's starting to set up. If they start to rise the price back up, might be a little skeptical going into Wednesday. Setting it up for what they want to do going into Wednesday. So catch you guys later. Adios, my friend. Peace. Whoa. Don't do. I forget. Don't do anything. Don't pay. Say crypto. Must not pay. Say crypto. And don't be afraid to take profits in the bear market rallies. Peace.